how to stream on YouTube Shorts feed using Streamlabs OBS. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and support your favorite creator. Use UFO187 in item shop. Okay guys, I show you how to do it. All you need to do, just download Streamlabs or OBS. As you can see, Streamlabs and OBS are same app. All you need to do, just go on settings and go here on video. In this first section, base resolution. If you have this resolution like me, click on it and go here custom and type like me 1080 1920. Do down the same on output and go here done. After you do this, you will have this short resolution, acceptable for shorts feed, the same way like TikTok. After that, you have this resolution, go on display and just set it this in middle like me. Set in middle and you can add here like text or you can add your face cam. When you click go live, your live is automatically on YouTube Shorts feed. The same way is with OBS. You go on settings, go on video, just do here the same like in Streamlabs. And that's it all guys for this video, how to live stream on YouTube short feeds using Streamlabs or OBS. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.